Welcome to the MRH Help video tutorial. This guide is designed to quickly help you move efficiently through our customer stories. When interviewing a customer, we ask many questions about the different aspects of the engagement. We organize the interview into logical segments: discovery, solution, results, and engagement. They cover the main customer experience touchpoints, beginning with the discovery segment: how did they end up choosing this company? Then move to the solution segment, which encompasses the entire design and implementation phase, the results segment, which measures how well the solution met expectations, and the engagement segment. This is a look at the entire customer experience from start to end. You'll hear us use the term facets. A facet is a specific aspect of a customer's total experience. If we look at the results segment, we see a list of facets. The final cost would be an important facet for any project if we are comparing risk versus reward. And cost can include more than just invoice dollars. Cost can include how much of a customer's time got consumed and any other required upgrades, for instance. Now on the reward side, key facets to consider would include new leads, conversations. This includes phone calls and emails from unexpected sources, such as emails being forwarded or something of that sort, or just being mentioned on social media. Finally, new business. Now if we go back to the discovery segment, why did you choose to do this project with this company? You should have plenty of questions to ask regarding their knowledge and experience. Now each industry will have facets and questions specific to their industry. Well, let's get started. In addition to the Help button, we have three main tabs: Facet Breakdown, Key Findings, and Transcripts, as well as a complete video recording of the entire interview. The entire video is 41 minutes long. We start with the Facet Breakdown tab open. When we mouse click Discovery, we can see some of the facets. If you note the order of the facets: motivation, contact, experience, and knowledge, a quick look at the other tabs show a direct correlation. Key findings are just that. Remember again, the length of the entire interview is 41 minutes. If we assume each of the four segments take approximately 10 minutes, you can see that the discovery discussion has been condensed to a few brief but important points. We apply highlights and indicators to help provide even more visibility to critical points. If you find something of interest, you can go to the Transcript tab and you can see the entire interview transcribed. This is 41 minutes of discussion. Note once again that the interview itself follows the same flow as we've seen before. This helps you find the facet you are interested in. It also serves the purpose of executing the interview in an orderly manner through all of the facets. We want to minimize the natural random thought process and keep the interview process organized. As you can see, we have an active dialogue, prompting the customer with a variety of key questions designed to elicit frank and earnest comments. If you wish to listen rather than read, you can go directly to that portion of the video and listen to just that part. If we go back to the facet breakdown, we can either expand or collapse an individual segment or all segments at once. The facet breakdown is a powerful tool to get you directly where you want to be. Notice when we hover over one of the facet hints, we see a tooltip with some brief points meant to foster discussion during the interview. Now in this case, we cannot see what is in the results or engagement segments, so rather than scrolling down, we can hover over the customer stories book and see our old friend, the graphical breakdown of the segments and facets. Okay, so now you know which facet you want to read or listen to. We click the link and go directly to the facet page where we see our old friends, the key findings and transcript tabs, and the video. Everything works the same, except if you'll notice, the video is much shorter, as well as the two tabs. This is a very powerful feature if you want to quickly research one or more stories for your specific hot issues, or facets as we call them. We hope this assists you in your buying decision by getting the answers you need with our customer stories. We welcome comments on how we can improve this tutorial, and we'd like to thank you for taking the time to do smart research by listening to our testimonials. Have fun.